Recently, during one of my live streams, a viewer brought up a pair of audio monitors that cost less than $50. It immediately piqued my interest, and I bought a pair to test it out. In this video, I'm going to let you know if you should cheap out, or if getting affordable audio monitors, I should say, could actually be worth it. The results might surprise you, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Before we continue, I just wanted to remind you that we have a Twitch channel where we stream every Friday and Saturday from 8 p.m. and to 10 p.m. Eastern time, so why not go ahead and drop a follow? And also don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and also make sure to check out the merch store. There's plenty of black and white sweetness to choose from up there, so go ahead and check that out. And then make sure to take a look at the podcast as well, as the podcast always goes live every Wednesday and Sunday. And with that said, enough rambling, let us get straight into the video. Now let's begin with an unboxing. Go ahead and remove the plastic cover from the box and then reveal the actual packaging. And then remove the earbuds from the phone cover and then get the cable and the replacement ear tips out as well. The exterior design consists of metal for the earbuds themselves, and honestly, they look pretty cool to me. These do look pretty nice and certainly feel sturdy without being all that heavy because of the materials or anything like that. You will also get this wire which has these twists around them. These are very common for in-ear audio monitors, but I strongly despise this cable because it always gets tangled super easily even when I'm not doing anything. I could just leave them around on my desk and they'll just tangle up on their own. And I mean the ones on this particular pair. So I would say that they did a pretty great job when it comes to the earbuds and a poor one when it comes to the wire, but I don't want to discredit it completely because it does seem like a strong enough wire. Now these handle comfort pretty well. These go around the back of your ears and then right in. Once you have them properly seated, they haven't been an issue to sustain really. I can honestly wear these for about 2 hours before feeling like I need to take them off, but then I need a break from them for longer than that, I would say. They're not insanely comfortable, but they are pretty reasonable. I really don't have many complaints when it comes to the comfort. And now I ran 2 different audio tests. One for just listening to different genres of music, since these are earbuds, of course, after all, and many will want to use them for listening to music, and another is going to be a video editing test to see how they fare. But let's start with the music test first. These really sound good. They seem to have a pretty wide soundstage for just being in-ear drivers, but they don't sound very flat to me. They do sound very clear, however, and I will say that, but wherever there's low end or bass of any kind, you will definitely feel that, and it's going to make sure that you do. This was even true with genres that are more difficult to handle for a lot of earbuds. Genres such as black metal and death metal that can very easily get muddied up if it's a particularly fast-paced song, but these do a genuinely great job for just listening to music. And when it comes to video editing, I had a very pleasant time here. These would make for great travel earbuds for editing on the go, considering that when working with multiple audio tracks, they do not get mushed together and you can very easily hear that separation. Like if there's the subject speaking and background music, it's not all just going to blend in together. Both are very easy to distinguish and really made me appreciate what these were capable of. This is honestly one of the best suggestions anyone has ever made to me regarding gear, if I'm going to be honest, and these cost less than $50. So my literal only complaints about these are just 2. 1, the wire gets tangled really easily. I do wish that the wire was thicker, and I would honestly pay for that to be the case considering that these are pretty affordable. Then at first, there was that issue of figuring out which one was left and right, as in for the earbuds, left and right earbuds. Yes, I did actually struggle here since they aren't labeled, but that's because you're meant to be able to replace the cable if it ever goes out. But once you've done so, it really is just a matter of figuring out if you got the right placement for the buds, and that's it. These earbuds accomplished way more than I expected them to. I did honestly expect them to be fairly average considering the price, but they do so many things so right that I can't help but to be happy that I bought these. So I can honestly recommend these to you. Absolutely. These got a very strong recommendation from me, both for listening to music and as legitimate audio monitors, especially if you are on a budget, of course. If you do go for something higher end, it'll sound better, it'll be much better. However, these are a great solution for the money. they're fantastic value. And if you're interested in purchasing these earbuds, then I'll be making sure to leave affiliate links down to Amazon in the description. So do make sure to click on that if you are interested in getting these. Highly recommended again. And if you do use my link, you would be helping out the channel quite a bit. So I would very much appreciate it. And also do make sure to subscribe for the Tech Summit podcast. This does go live twice a week since now we have twice a week episodes. So do make sure to subscribe for that so that you don't miss any of our episodes. And also do make sure to follow me on Twitch because I do like to stream every Friday and Saturday, and I would love to answer any of your questions over there in case of anything. Links to that down below. And if you would like to join the Discord, then do make sure to drop by. There's going to be a link down there too. Also, the rest of my social media like my Instagram and my Twitter. But with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all later. Enjoy.